And we can look at our shots from downtown looking back to the south and west in our Sky Tracker camera and just see that sky still looks pretty dark out there. The sun is popping out of the backside of that storm.
You see the wall of clouds over in the distance. See the clouds moving pretty quick, the low clouds. They're calling for golf ball size hail, chance of tornadoes, big storms. It's just a little windy here now. Not much. That is weird how the a bit of lightning over that way. Those clouds are moving. Hear some thunder. Alright, the lightning has started to get a little bit more intense. From watching the TV, I think we're going to miss the big storm. The storm is a little bit more to the west of here. So, it's heading north, so it's not really coming this way, but it's still a good 10 miles away. Or more. We can see the lightning in the distance. And occasionally I can hear the thunder. We still got that weird wall of clouds there. Vertical wall of clouds over those trees. Separating the clouds from the sun, and it's super dark back this way. Anyway, hopefully we miss it. Somebody's getting it, but it's not us. We could definitely use the rain. There we go, that was a good one. We got that one spot of sun there, and it gets super dark back over this way. That's where all the tornado warnings and watches are. We got some thunder and lightning going on. The lightning is mainly in this area that I'm looking at now. It's not raining here anywhere yet. The storm is mainly to the west. See if I get another shot of lightning. There we go. More this way now.
A strong tornado, the way it looks right now. I haven't got any reports of damage. A lot of reports of power outages, but no damage from that area. Have a tornado warning now for eastern Pennsylvania County, Danville, and Halifax County. So, again, they keep coming in a line. They keep coming from southwest to northeast. Let's go back over to Doppler Max 6 3D, and we'll check out the storm that's over Goochland. Again, tornado warning continues there.